Ever wondered how computers remember things? What if I told you there's an algorithm that allows a computer to remember and recall information using associations, much like our human brain? Welcome to the fascinating world of bidirectional associative memory, or BAM for short. To understand BAM, we first need to get a basic understanding of associative memory. Associative memory in computing is a type of memory that allows us to retrieve a piece of data when a related piece of data is given. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, it's actually quite straightforward. Now let's dive into the BAM algorithm. It's a type of associative memory that can recall a memory in two directions. For instance, if you know A is associated with B, you can recall B when given A and vice versa. This is why we call it bidirectional. The BAM algorithm consists of a few simple steps. First, we have to create a matrix for the pairs of associated data. Each row in the matrix represents a pair. The first element of the pair is multiplied by the transpose of the second element. This gives us a matrix for each pair. Next, we add up all the matrices to get a combined matrix. This matrix serves as the memory of the system. It stores the associations between the data pairs. Now, let's say we want to recall a piece of data. We multiply the given data with the memory matrix. The result is then passed through a function that converts it into a binary form. This result is the associated data that we wanted to recall. What makes the BAM algorithm special is its robustness. It can recall the correct association even when the given data is incomplete or slightly incorrect. This is due to its ability to store multiple associations in the same memory matrix. In summary, the BAM algorithm is a type of associative memory that can recall data in two directions. It creates a memory matrix from the pairs of associated data. When given a piece of data, it multiplies it with the memory matrix to recall the associated data. The BAM algorithm is robust and can recall correct associations even with incomplete or slightly incorrect data. Isn't it amazing how much computers can mimic the human brain? The BAM algorithm is a perfect example of this. It's like a computer's way of saying, "Oh, I remember that." But instead of retrieving a memory from a stroll down memory lane, it pulls out a matrix and does some quick calculations. Now that's what we call a smart machine.